Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make Google your default search engine on your browser. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So this is just very basic guys. So on your browser, go over to the three dots here on the upper right corner, go over to settings. Once you over settings, you just have to go on over and search for search engine here. Once you've searched that, you just have to hover over here, manage search engines and site search. But you can also edit your search engine use in the address bar here, and you can set it on whatever is available here to whatever you want. So let's go over to this one. And once you are here under search engines right here, as you can see, uh, you can you will be greeted with a couple of search engines available. So all you have to do to make one your default, for example, you want Google your default, but as you can see, I already have it as my default one. So all you have to do, for example, is go over to the three dots here, and you just have to click on make default, and you just have to uh, save your settings right here. So make that default there and there. So you can also edit the sites here, and you can input or correct the shortcut if you want, and you can rename also the search engine if you want, and just tap on save, and there you go guys. After that, you just have to refresh your home page on your browser, and you should be good to go here. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can make this Google your default search engine. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.